Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to Badanamu Arts and Crafts. This week, we'll be using crafting clay to make some of our favorite friends. Bada, Mimi, and Abby. And here come the handy helpers. How are you today? Great! I love your yellow scarf. Very stylish. Handy helpers, what do we need today? Oh, of course! We're making things out of clay. So we need our crafting clay. Wow, look at all those colors. That's great. What colors do we have? White, pink, yellow, and blue. Great! What else do we need, handy helpers? Oh, I see. A tool for cutting. And a roller. Oh, you'll use it to make the Play-Doh nice and flat. And our craft clay knife. Is it sharp, handy helpers? That's right. If you don't have a knife, you can also use a popsicle stick. I think we're all ready. Let's get started. We'll begin with our white clay, a big ball for Bada's body. Now watch the handy helpers. Roll, roll, roll the clay in your hands. Make it nice and round, and then squish it flat, just like that. Using your roller, you can help to make the circle bigger and flatter. Wow, looks great, handy helpers! Does your circle look like the handy helper's circle? It does? Perfect! Wow, that looks excellent! Bada's body looks good, but now Bada needs ears. We're going to use a little bit more white clay. Make a small circle in your hands and roll, roll, roll again. Now, taking your ball, we're going to make it flat just like we did with Bada's body. Grab your rollers and roll it out. Now, get your pink clay and make a small little ball. That's going to go right onto the white circle. How do we get it to stick? Oh, I see. Use the roller and squish them together. Now we have one circle. How are we going to make 2 ears? I think I have an idea. That's right, handy helpers. We're going to cut the circle right down the middle. Wow, we did it! We now have 2 Bada ears. They look so cute. Now make the shape just right and give Bada his ears. Wow, that looks great! Now Bada can hear us when we say, hello! Handy helpers, what are we going to do next? Oh, I see. We need tiny little bit of blue clay to make Bada's eyes. 1, 2. Make sure they're in just the right place. Be very gentle, just like the handy helpers. Next, let's grab some pink to make Bada's cute little nose. Very small little circle. And then grab your roller to make it all stick together. Wow, handy helpers! Bada looks great, and he's almost done. What should we do next? Ah, good thinking, handy helpers. Bada needs his arms and legs. Let's grab our white clay. We're going to roll, 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 roll the clay. Just like the handy helpers, take the clay and roll it into a long tube, and then cut it to make Bada's arms. See how the handy helpers shape the clay just right? Can you do it too? Wow, I knew you could! Then, just like the handy helpers, connect Bada's arms to his body. Wow, handy helpers! You are so clever! It looks great! Oh, are you going to make his legs now? I see! We're going to use yellow to make Bada's famous boots! Just like you did with the arms, roll a tube and cut it in half. Make the shapes and attach them to Bada. Wow, the boots look pretty great, but they're not quite done. Handy helpers, what do we need? Oh, right! We need to put the little white stripe on Bada's boots. Grab a small piece of white clay and roll it out into a long, thin tube. Now, take just enough to make 2 little white stripes on Bada's boots. 1 white stripe, 2 white stripes. Wow! Hi, Bada! You look fantastic. Great work, handy helpers. Now, it's time for Bada to move on over and make room for some friends. Who should we make next? I know. How about our lovely friend, Mimi? Looks like we need red, yellow, and black. Let's get started. We'll begin with a big piece of red clay. Roll, roll, roll it into a ball. Now, using your rolling pin, make it nice and flat. Now, watch the handy helpers to make the little heart shape of Mimi's body. Can you make it look just like the handy helpers did? Great job! What's next? Oh, Mimi's eyes! What color should we use? Oh, black! We need 2 tiny little black circles for Mimi's eyes. Roll them in your fingers and put them into place. 1, 2. Blink, blink. Now Mimi has 2 cute little eyes. You can use your roller to help them stick in place. Wow! Now you can see Mimi, and she can see you. That's right, handy helpers, just like that. What comes next? Oh, Mimi's legs. How many should we make? That's right, 4. Mimi has 4 legs. Using some more of our red clay, roll it out, and then turn it into a long tube, just like we did when we made Bada's arms. Watch the handy helpers. Remember, we need 4 legs. That's right. Let's cut it into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once the pieces are all cut, follow the handy helpers and shape them just right and put them into place for Mimi's legs. Looking great, handy helpers. Now it's time to attach them. That's right, push the clay together. You're doing a great job! Mimi looks super cute! Wow! Great job, handy helpers! The legs are all done. What should we do next? Something's missing. That's right! She needs her yellow tummy! Let's grab our yellow clay. Now, watch the handy helpers. Use your fingers to make Mimi's tummy shape. Squeeze it and pull it, then put it into place. You can use the roller to help it stick together. Wow! Ta-da! Oh, Mimi looks so adorable! Great job, everyone! Okay, Mimi, it's time to go join Bada. We need to make room to make our last friend for today. Who should come and play with us? I know! How about Abby? We need yellow, orange, and black. Is that everything? Great! Let's start with orange. Get a nice big piece of your orange clay. Now, following the handy helpers, roll it into a ball. Then, using your roller, roll it nice and flat. We're making Abby's head. As you can see, the handy helpers are making a teardrop shape. Can you make the same shape? Wow, that looks fantastic! Oh, we have more orange clay. What are you going to use it for, handy helpers? Oh, Abby's body! We're going to make a little oval shape for Abby's body. After you have the shape just right, take Abby's body and connect it to Abby's head. Use your roller. That looks great. What comes next? Oh, I see. We need to make Abby's wings. What color do we need? Of course, we need more orange. Follow the handy helpers and split your orange clay into 2 pieces. Then roll them into 2 balls. Then stretch them out into 2 ovals so they look just like Abby's wings. And now connect them to Abby's body. That's great! What comes next? Abby's eyes. She has 2 eyes. What color do we need? Black. 2 very small black balls for Abby's eyes. 1 eye. 2 eyes. Take your time and put them in just the right place. Pat, 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 just like that. You can also use your roller to make them stick. What comes next, handy helpers? Oh, that's right! Abby's beak. What color do we need? Yellow, of course! Start with a small piece of yellow clay. Now roll it into a ball and use your fingers to pinch it into a triangle shape, just like the shape of Abby's beak. That's right, pinch, pinch, pinch. When it's all done, carefully place it on Abby's face. See how gentle the handy helpers are being? Can you be gentle like that too? Great job! Now what comes next, handy helpers? Oh, Abby's cute eyebrows! What color do we need? That's right, we need more yellow. You know what to do. Follow the handy helpers and roll out a thin tube. Then, using your knife, cut 2 pieces for Abby's brows. And put them into place right above her eyes. Wow, that looks so great! What comes next? Oh, right! Abby's feet, so she can walk, 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 walk. We're going to make 2 oval shapes using our yellow clay. Roll it out. Split it in 2. Make 2 balls. Now, using your fingers, shape them and attach them to Abby's body. Wow! Abby looks awesome. But what does Abby always wear? That's right! Abby always wears her yellow scarf. Just like yours, handy helpers! We need to get some more yellow clay. Here we go. Roll the yellow clay out into a tube. Use your fingers to shape it into Abby's scarf. It's kind of like a triangle shape. Place it on Abby and use your roller to help it stick. Ta-da! Wow, Abby's all done. Now all 3 of our Badanamu friends are finished. I guess we're all done for today. Let's get ready. Oh, looks like the handy helpers have an idea. I wonder what it could be. Let's see. Oh, it looks like the handy helpers want to play. That looks like fun. Handy helpers, what are you doing? Where are you taking our Badanamu friends? Wow! Handy helpers, you had a great idea. It looks like using a pencil, the handy helpers have turned our friends into stick puppets. We have Bada and Abby and Mimi. Wow! How did you do it? Oh, I see. You took a pencil and used... you used tape. How smart! 1 piece of sticky tape across the pencil and stick it to our friend. Turn him over and ta-da! Now we can play with all of our friends. Hello, Mimi. Well, hello, Bada. So much fun. Okay, boys and girls, it's time to say goodbye. Make sure to come back next week when we'll make all of our Pengy friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.